Hello and welcome to HW News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today addressed the nation. Now there was a lot of curiosity among people, among Indians, to know whether the lockdown will be extended or the lockdown will be ended, because this particular address by Prime Minister Modi was very much important, because the third lockdown that has been imposed in India will end on May 17th, and what after May 17th, that has been the question that is doing rounds in the minds of people, and opposition has also been asking about this to the government. Opposition has been seeking the answer from the government as to what will happen after May 17th, and today in his address to the nation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi cleared all the doubts and he spoke about a lot of issues. So I'm going to make it a point wise, so I'm going to explain point wise what exactly did he talk about. So first of all, he talked about making India completely self-reliant. He said that it is important that India becomes self-reliant. India has risen to the occasion on several times. He said that India is now providing medicines to the entire world. His reference was the hydroxychloroquine that India provided to several countries, including United States. Then he also said that when the coronavirus crisis started, India wasn't producing even a single PPE kit or even the N95 mask. But today we are producing, India is manufacturing close to 2 lakh PPE kits and 2 lakh N95 masks every day. So he said that it is very much important that India becomes self-reliant, and self-reliant does not mean that we are only centered within ourselves, but that also means that we will become self-reliant and we will also help other countries. He said that when India becomes self-reliant, that also means that globally the repercussions are also seen. It has effect on global economy as well. So his entire focus was on making India completely self-reliant, and in fact Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has also launched the Atmanirbhar India, that is Self-Reliant India campaign as well. The second point Prime Minister Modi stressed upon was supply chain. Now, a lot of people during the lockdown period and even the experts stressed upon the supply chain and the loopholes in Indian supply chain. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that we have to resolve that with our resources. We have the best resources, best talent, and with the use of these resources and these talents, we have to make our supply chain more modern. We have to prepare, we have to make best quality products. We have to make our supply chain more modern, and we have to strengthen this supply chain. And he explained 5 pillars to do so. He said that first is economy. He said we don't want incremental progress anymore, we want quantum jump, and for that bold reforms are very much needed. Then he spoke about infrastructure, which will be very unique to India, which will adapt to Indian structure. Then he talked about system, which will be completely technology driven. Then he also talked about demography. He talked about India's demography, 1.3 billion people in India, and he said that vibrant demography of India is the power, is the key which will drive the self-reliant India initiative that has been launched by the Modi government. And then he talked about the demand. He said that the cycle of supply and demand chain should be fully utilized by Indian people, and this supply chain should be completely modernized, and we should completely strengthen our supply chain. Now, the third important point that he spoke about was the highlight of this entire address by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. A lot of people since last few days have been asking that where is the next economic package that India should be adopting in the lockdown period, because many other countries have given bigger economic package to their own people, but India had announced a very small package as per the experts. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi today announced that 20 lakh crore of economic package will be announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in the next few days. Today he just made an announcement about it. This 20 lakh crore package, together with the earlier economic package that was announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, and the different schemes and schemes issued by the Reserve Bank of India, together that makes 20 lakh crore of package, and that will be 10% of India's GDP. And this package will help India to boost the economy, to boost the demand and supply chain as well. He said that the package has been designed keeping the focus on land, keeping the focus on labor, on liquidity, the laws. He said not only the laborers but also industries have been kept into account. This will help the small and medium scale industries, the MSMEs, the cottage industries as well as the big industries. It will help all of them. He said that this package is also for middle class who is honest taxpayer of this country. He also said that this particular package, 20 lakh crore of package, will help in boosting the demand. He said he particularly also praised the laborers, migrant laborers who have been traveling on foot due to lockdown, who have no money in their hands, have nothing to eat. He praised them. He said that these are the people who suffered a lot during the lockdown, but for the country, they without any complaint, without any issue, they suffered. And he said that this particular package will also have something for them as well. So 20 lakh crore of package, together with the earlier announcements of RBI and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, 20 lakh crore of package, financial package has been announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which is 10% of India's GDP, and details about this package will be announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in the next few days. The fourth point that Prime Minister Narendra Modi talked about was the importance of local manufacturing and local markets. He said when India was reeling under lockdown and necessitated due to coronavirus crisis, local markets and local manufacturers came to rescue. He said thus local markets and local manufacturers are important. He said that we should now resolve to use more and more local goods, and not only using the local goods but also promoting them, being vocal about these local products, being vocal about these local manufacturing units, the local producers, and that will also help us being more and more self-reliant. In the last point, Prime Minister Narendra Modi talked about what every expert has been talking about, that coronavirus is here to stay and we have to learn to live with the virus. Prime Minister Modi said we cannot let our lives revolve around the coronavirus crisis. Definitely we will use mask more often, continuously we will use mask, compulsorily we will use mask, we will also follow social distancing, but we cannot let our lives revolve around the coronavirus crisis. He said that lockdown has been extended. Lockdown 4 will start from May 18th onward, when on May 17th the third lockdown will end, and from May 18th the fourth lockdown will be starting, but it will be completely in new format, and the new guidelines for lockdown 4 will be soon announced, but before May 18th they will be announced. Generally the Ministry of Home Affairs announces the standard operating procedures for these lockdowns that has been extended in the country. So let us expect that in next few days the Ministry of Home Affairs will also issue some guidelines for the lockdown 4 that will be implemented in the country from May 18, but there will be definitely some relaxations that will happen in the lockdown 4. So these are the 5 points that Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about in his address today. 2 important points. First, 20 lakh crore of package has been announced, which is 10% of India's GDP, which was much awaited. And second, that lockdown 4 will happen. The lockdown in India has been extended, but there will be some relaxations, more relaxations than earlier lockdown that will happen in lockdown 4. Well, do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.